Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions. The problem of permissions on the application of Microsoft Teams. Here we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will search about Microsoft Teams and you will click in this page. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget